Times are changing and Taiwan-based luxury motor yacht maker Ocean Alexander is moving with them. This, the Ocean Alexander 70E, is the first of a new line of boats that leave the traditional trawler-style lines behind and replace them with something more edgy and modern. This one's built in the US, and it also uses a new construction process. It's the first OA boat to shift away from a shaft drive to a more compact Volvo Penta IPS pod system. What doesn't change though is Ocean Alexander's focus on quality. The Ocean Alexander 70E features all the brand signatures, such as the oval handrails, a quality fit out in the galley, and the hidden air conditioning vents that climate control the interior. The living space on this boat is vast. Downstairs, there's an outdoor cockpit leading down to a swim deck that is strong enough to support a tender or jet ski. Open the electronically controlled door to the saloon and comfortable lounges, a dinette and even bar stools offer a welcome. Upstairs, a big covered flybridge provides even more social space to while away the hours and includes a wet bar with, you guessed it, more bar stools. The lower helm features 2 seats and features 2 huge 17-inch touchscreens sitting side by side on the console. They control everything from the chart plotter to the radar and sounder. Helping with the owner-operator equation is a counterlever pilot door. It's a wonderfully engineered feature that provides easy access to the bow or stern from the helm. The Ocean Alexander 70E features a grand full beam master stateroom, using space yielded by the more compact Volvo Penta engine system. Another VIP stateroom is located in the bow with a set of bunks and a twin room providing more onboard accommodation. All the rooms are lit using diffused light that casts its glow softly and evenly throughout the spaces. The Ocean Alexander 70E uses a semi-displacement hull. This gives it good stability at rest, but allows the 22-metre boat to easily rise onto a plane at cruising speeds. Combined with a pair of powerful 1200 horsepower Volvo Penta diesels, it's a surprisingly economical mover. In this price range, motor yachts tend to be built for either show or practicality. The Ocean Alexander 70E somehow combines both in a package that feels small enough to become an option for the owner-operator. Adding to that, there are standard features on this boat that would cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you pick them from the options list on arrival. That alone makes the Ocean Alexander 70E a compelling choice.